Hey everyone, welcome back to the airSlate video guide with a new helpful tip on how to leverage automation in your day-to-day document workflows.
Over 90% of SMB employees perform time-consuming repetitive tasks. Are you one of them? How often do you face the following problems with completing your business operation processes manually? Inefficient uses of time resulting in higher cost, inaccurate and error-prone processes, or lack of process visibility. Automate manual tasks in your workflows and save time and reduce errors with airSlate's no-code automation. Transform your most complex operations into fully automated workflows without coding or hassle. Let's take a look at how airSlate does the heavy lifting so that you can focus on your goals, not manual tasks. Save time creating and configuring your flow with ready-to-use, pre-built templates for any team, department, or business, from HR and sales to healthcare and construction. The templates include the documents and automation features needed to get your workflow up and running in no time. Access our library of pre-built templates in just a few clicks. In your dashboard, find the pre-built templates block. Click Select from Library right next to it. In the search line, enter the keywords to help you find the workflows that align with your business goals. Review the templates by clicking Learn More next to the one you choose, go through its description, and click Import. Now you can use the template straight away or change its settings as required. Let's see what else you can do with airSlate. First of all, there are two ways of automating your document workflows. You can either build your flow from scratch by clicking the Create New Flow button, or choose one of the pre-built flow templates. Browse the flow template collection from your dashboard and pick the one that meets your needs. Then, set up your specific documents, workflows, and bots. You start by adding or creating documents and web forms in your workflow. You can create them from scratch or upload documents from your computer or cloud storage. Customize the docs any way you want. Add fillable or signature fields, assign recipients to them, and make fields mandatory or optional, and more. Next, visualize your workflow. Drag and drop steps and name each one based on the role or responsibilities of those who will complete it. Manage document recipients, assign fields or entire documents to them, and add conditions for the step execution if necessary. Add branches if you need to send documents simultaneously to several recipients. Finally, automate your workflow by adding no-code bots. Use the bots to send reminders and notifications, pre-fill documents, transfer data, upload records to your CRM, and much more. If you want to use the flow more than once, you can make it a template. Just choose the Save As Template option when configuring your workflow. Once you set up your workflow, click Send so that the documents are completed by the right people. You can also send the documents via SMS, email, or create a shareable link to add them to your website. After your documents have been sent, use the airSlate dashboard to track their completion and all of the changes in your workflow. For example, you can see the status of your flow by opening the All Flows tab. Depending upon your role in the workspace and flow access permissions, you may have different options available. For example, you can download, send, and remove a specific document. View the bots log to check if the bots added to the workflow ran successfully, and if not, check the reason for failure. If you have any trouble using airSlate, go to the support portal or get help from our support team. Want to develop new skills and gain recognition? Click the link in the top right corner to take one of our free courses.
Want to try airSlate for free? Just click the link in the description and begin streamlining your processes right now.